Hello sisters, I want to draw a baby today. This early makeup. The whole is all-inclusive eyeliner. Add a more pink color scheme. I think it's quite suitable for spring now. You can come and tone me before makeup now. For base makeup, I want to use this air cushion directly. This makeup is beautiful. The mood is also beautiful. Then light up right away. My words here are sunken, this one is more serious, so it needs to be improved. Dab, let him pull a little thin here. Then it seems that my writing will be a little better. There will be a little more dosage between the eyebrows. Then this place is also painted open for him. A little bit. A quick bye. We can also be considerate of the back of the nose, because I sometimes frame it and it has that yin, shadow in. If you go to fix your nose in the future, the whole effect will be better. Take a look. Blush, I have a piece on hand, very suitable for this. Then I'll follow the injury here, you have to emphasize it a little bit. Brought one from the street. Then breathe slowly. Then the structure of the eye emphasizes it. The dirt doesn't have to be painted too light. Had it open twice with a puff. Overall, hope your effect will be more natural. Let's fix the eyebrows separately. I didn't plan to let go of this makeup today. It will be easier to draw. I can't prevent it anyway. Are his eyebrows that weaker feeling? The eyebrow peak can be appropriately raised and thrown away. The overall eyebrows are a little curved. But unfortunately, it's still the case. You can brush the eyebrow brush upright like this. Female painting is more natural. The eyebrow is only brushed on the surface of that eyebrow. Don't get it on your skin. Before applying eye makeup, wipe the suction thread on the eyelids first. And the whole makeup is that. Use this pink for the more pink one. Just bring a little powder. Stop a little. The structure corresponds here. Then we apply these two colors, mainly to deepen the eyes. Wear it on the wrinkles of the skinner. The end of the eye, hit the false eyelashes. Black eyeliner pen, put this eyeliner. This painting is smoother. With a black eyeshadow, smudge this inner eyeliner softer and softer. Smooth. The back looks like this eye. Are there many gods? My eyes are. I'm going back now to hook an aegyo. What everyone helped us with is actually the point. Natural style. The point is that the middle is longer. We'll make our eyes round. You see half a dark eyeshadow. Pull down a little eyeliner first. If it's completely down, I feel a little unnatural. Then flat again. As long as it doesn't tilt up. Pull it along a little bit, some white, deepen it. Down to these two colors in the end of the eye. It's a little bit wrapped up here. Use this one. This is 11 to light up aegyo. Watch me paint it thicker. Made gel hairdressing without makeup. My eyeliner is at 11 o'clock. There's a black glue pen in the eye. Refinement. Finger here for some sequins. This eye makeup is beautiful, beautiful. I finished my eye makeup. I'll try this grooming part for you. Today's words will deepen the root of the injury here. Matte highlight. Lift your eyes first. Nose here horizontally. T-shirt here for a little highlight. Take a look at this blush a little bit. This blush must be light. It's pretty colored. Use this one first. Blur your lips. I bought a primer and I'll try it. Seconds become pure sisters. Let's use a gray pink one first. Like a fatter lip glaze.